Hi guys, so this is a June Empties video. Sorry, I had to think about that for a minute, despite the fact I'm holding all the products. But I haven't got tons, which is nice because usually these take me ages, don't they? So let's just run through it. Number one is this product from The Ordinary, and it is The Ordinary AHA and BHA 2% Peeling Solution, which looks like this. It's red, so it kind of makes you look a bit like you've got blood all over your face when you put it on, but it's a really, really lovely product. It exfoliates beautifully. I don't leave it on for the recommended 10 minutes. I think that's a little bit harsh for my skin. I'll leave it on for probably like 3 to 5 minutes, and it just gives you a really fresh complexion, makes your skin feel really, really smooth, and it's really, really effective. Definitely the best product I've used from The Ordinary. Absolutely my favourite from The Ordinary so far. So really enjoyed that. Then I've got a makeup item. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Silky Beige. I hit pan and then this part went all yucky. I would repurchase this. It's my go-to check in my handbag powder. It's finely milled enough. It's cheap. The packaging's a bit annoying, but I usually have like a little matte kabuki brush anyway that I use. To reapply, obviously. This is the Nivea Pearl Beauty Antiperspirant. I really like this deodorant. I think it smells really good and I think it's quite effective. Then we have this body scrub. I got this from TK Maxx actually, and it was really lovely. It's the She Aromatherapy Peppermint and Tea Tree Mermaid Salt Scrub. You can see it's totally empty. It was really tingly, really lovely for summer actually. So unfortunate that I didn't get to use all of it because it was really, really good. That I ran out of it. I did get to use all of it because I used it up. What am I on about? This is the Tesco's Revitalising Bath Foam. I use this if I'm just wanting to have like a cheapy bath, and to be honest I very, very rarely have anything other than bubbles in my bath these days. I just prefer it, so that's a good one. I think it's like 80p. I used up one of these XBC Deep Moisturising Foot Packs. I like these. I think it was like 70p from like Home Bargains, and it just gives your feet a little bit of a kind of pick me up if they're feeling really dry, and I really struggle with having dry feet no matter what I do. This is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. I love this. I go through loads of these. I can probably get about 3 applications out of it though, because the formula is very rich, and I've got quite long hair, so I'm sure if you've got shorter hair you'll get way more out of it, and it's really cheap, but it's really effective at giving your hair a nice boost. Shower gel. This is the Body Shop Italian Summer Fig, sorry. I love this. It smells really fresh, really kind of green, and it's a great summer shower gel. I really like it. I think maybe I've got one more backup of that actually. Then a bubble bath. This is my favourite bubble bath ever. It's the Imperial Leather Relaxing Orchid and Ylang Ylang. Makes your bath water pink, and it smells like the comforter from Lush, which incidentally leads me on to this. This is Lush's Butterball Bath Bomb, which my sister bought me, and I used it, and this is actually my favourite bath bomb from Lush. The comforter and Butterball are my favourite. How annoying is this bit of hair that won't lie down? Whatever. I wasn't taking the piss out of American accents then, by the way. It's like an inside joke thing that we do in my house. Then I've got a candle empty. This is the Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar Candle. This was really nice, but this was so old. It still smells good. It's a really nice smell, that candle. I've actually had the hand wash from it, and it's a really nice smell. Would definitely buy that again if I could get hold of Bath & Body Works easily, which I can't. This is the Superdrug Naturally Radiant Glycolic Acid Daily Cleansing Pads. I love these. I won't buy the Nip and Fab ones again. You can see it's completely empty. They're just saturated with the solution. You can buy the solution on its own. I like that more for night time. For the morning I like to use these. I think they're really quick and easy, and they work really well in my opinion. This shower gel was awesome, and this is the Imperial Leather Foam Burst Sheer Butter and Orange Blossom. Really like this. I like how it smelled, I like how it felt. It was good to shave with. It was really good. I want to try more from that range. The only thing is I think the scents they do are a bit boring. That's my only thing with shower gel. Like I like shower gel that has a bit more of a like nicer scent. So the Body Shop are my favourite, Soap and Glory, that kind of thing. Very rarely do I like a Superdrug own, not Superdrug own brand, but like a Superdrug one that you can just buy from like the supermarket kind of thing, not Superdrug itself. Ugh, whatever. I don't like just regular ones usually. I prefer them to be a bit nicer, but whatever. This was so nice and I need to repurchase. This is the Superfacialist by Una Brennan Vitamin C Gently Daily Micro Polish Wash. This is so lovely for summer. It's really fresh, leaves your skin feeling really clean, not too stripping, just gives you a nice wake up, and it's really good. I need to buy another one. And then last but not least is this hand wash from Aldi, which is the cola bottle version. I won't buy this again. I don't think it's anywhere near as good as the Carex one, which is limited edition and you can't seem to get hold of anywhere anymore. But I think this was okay, but the Carex one is like a million times better. Didn't really smell of cola bottles and the Carex one really does. So that's that. But those are my empties. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick video for once, which I like to try and get a mixture of quick and like chit-chatty kind of videos for all of us to have something. I prefer long videos personally, but I know some people don't. But let me know what you've used up this month, and yeah, I will see you all soon. Bye.